This is Dabu7. Want to share with you guys here amazing footage of these fireballs raining down from the sky here in Michigan. This is video number 2. Miss Lisa here sent me the video. Everyone's asking, what are they? There's a part 1 to this as well. I guess the camera had died, but I'm going to run the footage just so you guys can see. These are not chemtrails. These are not planes that came in and are going down over the horizon. These are objects that have fallen in this area and broken up. You'll see it flare up even.
My one just came back home. Did you see it coming down?
Yeah.
Wow, look at it. Over there is coming down too. You see that big
Yep.
one? Close it though. It's okay. Close it. Close it.
I hate it.
It's open.
You are Jackie.
What's that right there?
Now, as you can see, these objects,
They're all starting to swirl now.
looking at first glance like it's a jet in the sky giving off chemtrails, but as you can see, this object
Guys,
is slowly
I
falling.
just found a pig.
Wow, wouldn't that be cool if there was one right above us?
Yeah, we could get a better video of it, I think.
Guys, I got something.
Now, I have to say this, I've witnessed many chemtrails, all the time in the sky. See the jets way up there, and I've seen fireballs and objects come down out of space that look very similar to this, but have always been unexplained. This literally looks like a handful of objects rained down in this area and or breaking up here in the atmosphere, but I can't tell you what it's from. Almost like something exploded into pieces here, and the pieces are raining down.
Christian! He just went on the
That's my
the
opinion.
road.
Besides that, it's gonna, I guess, remain a mystery unless somebody has 100% proof of what it is. But as you can see, they're just sitting there, just floating down in the atmosphere, burning up.
Come up here.
Very interesting, nonetheless. Thanks for sending me this video, Miss Lisa. I'll share it with everyone here, and I'll leave a link back to your channel. Everyone, make sure you subscribe. This has been Dabu7 with some mystery fireballs here over Michigan.